No, I'm actually not confused. Hey there, it's Asia Ray Coleman, founder of Acting Resource Guru. And I recently heard someone refer to the 4th of July as the new year for actors, which I thought was really smart. And here's why. So after the upfronts in May, things get a little slower, especially for those of us who are really focusing on television, episodic television. And so May is a little bit slow, June is a little bit slow. And then after July 4th, episodic season begins. And there are so many opportunities for actors who are looking for co-star and guest star roles for the shows that are going to be premiering in the fall. So, Actors New Year, right? So now is a great time to reconnect with your contacts and to get your marketing on point and to really make sure that your online presence is absolutely perfect. So this month, we are going to be having an online challenge in Acting Resource Guru. Over the next few weeks, we are going to be sharing tips with you to revisit different aspects of your online presence and really make sure that everything is sharp and on point. So I hope you will join us for the ARG Online Challenge, and I hope you'll get additional support in the Facebook community. Actors Who Get It is our Facebook community, and it's totally free, and it's the place where I will be popping in to answer questions along the way this month about your online presence as an actor. So head on over there and join me, and I will see you online.